Hey everyone, this is Shawn Hayes, and welcome back to another episode of Money Control TV, where we talk about all things money, how to earn it, how to sow it, how to save it, and definitely how to enjoy it. And so if you're watching this video because you want to know what is the fourth secret credit bureau and how can I get my free report. And so before we dive in, I want you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you hit that bell notification so the next time I upload another wonderful video that you'll be the first one to notify. But if you already did all two things, then welcome back to the Money Control TV. So stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and head over to the website, which is called Innovis. So here we're back. We're at the website, Innovis.com is the website, and I'm definitely going to put the link to the website down in the description box. And so I have ordered my credit report from Innovis, and so Innovis is highly known a little bit. It's not as popular as Equifax, TransUnion, or Equifax, TransUnion, and Experience, right? And so, but because some of the lenders and the companies do not really report everything to them, and so if you get your report like I have got mine, there's some discrepancies and some complaints from other consumers that everything is not reporting to Innovis, right? And so I looked at my report, and there's some things that's not reported on my Innovis report, but it's absolutely free. So you can go over and get your free report. I'm going to walk you through the process here on this video, but Innovis is another credit bureau that has great report, but people are just not recognizing. They're just not as popular as the other three credit bureaus, you know, Equifax, TransUnion, Experience, but they do exist. It's just companies are not reporting all the consumers' information. So but I definitely want you to go ahead and order your credit report from this company, Innovis, right? So here it is. Also, it's for business. I'm here on a personal solution part. And all I have to do is just really order it. And so Innovis Personal Solution, you can order your credit report. You can also dispute resolutions, fraud, active duty alerts. I mean, you can get a lot of services from them. Definitely, you can block. We're going to talk about another video, so make sure that you subscribe to this video. I'm going to talk about security freeze and things like that. Also, you can look and learn about security freeze, especially, you know, we're thinking about all these identity thefts happening. You already know that Capital One and Equifax this year had a data breach. And so it's not that you're going to get your ID stolen. It's just a matter of time when, right? So also opt out, opt in. So this is also a site where you can go ahead and opt out, opt in. And so if you're getting all this junk mail and you be like, man, where I'm getting all this junk mail from is because they're telling companies and potential lenders that, hey, you're credit worthy. And so you're going to be getting all those junk mails talking about, hey, you've been approved. But if you want to silence that, you can also go in here and just opt out for all those things to, just coming through the mail. But again, all you have to do is go up here to the credit bureau, a credit report. And then here is how you order your Innovis credit report. You can order a copy of your Innovis credit just online. Simple, we're online now, or by mail, by phone, or in person. You will need to provide all the required personal information to verify your identity. So again, online, all you have to do is just click this link here, credit report, and then you can call by phone, 1-800 number, and you can mail it. And also, look, it's talking about you can walk in. So if you're in the Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania area, you can just walk in and order your credit report through Innovis. And so this is the fourth secret credit bureau. Definitely, companies are not reporting all your information. Again, I have my report here. There's two things that's not on my credit report that should be, but I guess, and one of them is Capital One was not reported on here, and also American Express card was not reported on here, but everything else was accurate on here. So make sure that you go ahead and order. It's absolutely free. So what we do is just say if we want to do online, hit online, and then fill all of your information on here online and then submit. That easy, and then it will show up in the mail. And so you guys, there's a lot of stuff out there. So make sure that you are doing your part to protect yourself and making sure that you get your credit reports, making sure that you, when you get them, making sure that you scan over, making sure everything is accurate and that it belongs to you. So you guys, again, I hope this video was helpful. Let me know if you're going to order your Innovis credit report today. Like, comment, put it down in the description. It says, Shawn, I'm going to order mine today, because I want to know what is reporting and is what being reported is actually mine. And so make sure that you do yourself a favor in making sure that you order yours today. Talk to you guys and see you in the next video. Bye.